and welcome back to English Unlocked. So today we are going to learn 10 popular English idioms that native speakers use all the time. If you understand these, your English will sound much more natural. So first we will understand what is an idiom. So an idiom is a special type of phrase whose meaning is not literal. You can't understand it just by looking at the words. But what is the key difference between an idiom and a phrase? So, all idioms are phrases, but not all phrases are idioms. Idioms have figurative meanings, while most phrases have literal meanings. Alright, so now we will start the video. But before that, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So let's get started. So first idiom is break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a social situation. Okay, let's see how to use this in a sentence. He told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Okay, now next, piece of cake. So it means something very easy. And let's take an example. That exam was a piece of cake. Third idiom is hit the nail on the head. So it means to be exactly right. And the example is you hit the nail on the head with that answer. Alright, so fourth idiom is under the weather. It means feeling sick. And the example is I am feeling under the weather today. Next is spill the beans, and it means to reveal a secret. Let's see how to use this in a sentence. She spilled the beans about the surprise party. Okay, now next. Once in a blue moon. So it means very rarely. And how to use in the sentence. I eat junk food once in a blue moon. Our next idiom is burn the midnight oil, and it means to work late into the night. Let's take the example. He burned the midnight oil to finish the project. Next one is cost an arm and a leg, and it means very expensive. So we will use this in a sentence as that phone costs an arm and a leg. Our next idiom is let the cat out of the bag, and it means to accidentally reveal a secret. And the example sentence would be he let the cat out of the bag about the plan. Alright, now our 10th idiom is bite the bullet, and it means to face a difficult situation bravely. Okay, now let's see how to use this in a sentence. I decided to bite the bullet and start studying. Alright, today we discussed 10 common idioms native speakers use. Which idiom did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.